Hi everyone, in this video we'll show you how to fix USB mouse and keyboard not working in Windows recovery mode. We'll walk you through several solutions step by step so you can get your input devices working again and navigate recovery mode without any issues. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech videos. The first thing you want to try is switching your keyboard and mouse to a different USB port. Many recovery environments do not fully support USB 3.0 ports, so plug your devices into a USB 2.0 port instead and see if that makes a difference. Also, make sure you are using wired devices, as wireless keyboards and mice often fail to initialize in recovery mode since the drivers for wireless receivers are not loaded at that stage. If switching ports does not help, the next fix is to enable legacy USB support in your BIOS. To do this, restart your computer and press the BIOS key as soon as it starts, which is usually Delete, F2, or F10 depending on your PC brand. Once inside the BIOS, look for an option called Legacy USB Support or USB Keyboard and Mouse Support and make sure it is enabled. Save your changes and exit the BIOS, then try entering recovery mode again. If you're still having trouble, the issue may be caused by a Windows update. Microsoft confirmed that the October 2025 security update KB50668835 broke USB device support inside the Windows recovery environment for Windows 11 versions 24H2 and 25H2. To fix this, boot normally into Windows, go to Start, open Settings, and navigate to Windows Update. Click on Update History, then Uninstall Updates. Find KB5066835 in the list and uninstall it. Restart your PC and try entering recovery mode again. If you cannot boot into Windows at all, the most reliable fix is to create a bootable Windows 11 USB drive using the Media Creation tool on another computer. Plug the bootable USB into your PC, restart it, and press the boot menu key to select the USB drive. From the Windows installation screen, click Next and then select the Repair option. This environment loads its own updated drivers, which means your keyboard and mouse will work properly inside it, and you can then troubleshoot or recover your system from there. If this video helped you fix the problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.